Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could bring about a revolution in prosthetics and assistive devices? Imagine the challenges faced by individuals with mobility impairments. The world can be an intimidating place when even the simplest tasks require monumental effort. Now, introduce the concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, into this equation. AI has the potential to transform lives, particularly in the realm of prosthetics and assistive devices. The purpose of AI in this context is not just about creating replacements for limbs that look and feel real. It's about creating devices that are intuitive, that respond to the user's needs and intentions in a seamless way. Devices that can learn and adapt, improving over time. This is the promise of AI in prosthetics, a future where assistive devices are not just functional, but are extensions of the human body, enhancing mobility and independence. Let's explore how AI is making a difference in the world of prosthetics. Imagine being able to grasp a glass of water or tie your shoelaces with a prosthetic hand that responds to your thoughts, just like a natural hand would. This is the story of Sam, a man who lost his arm in a car accident and found new hope in AI-powered prosthetics. After the accident, Sam struggled with tasks we often take for granted. Simple things like buttoning a shirt or holding a cup of coffee became monumental challenges. His life changed when he was introduced to an AI-powered prosthetic arm. This wasn't just a mechanical replacement. It was an extension of himself, controlled by his thoughts and powered by the most advanced AI technology. Behind this transformation is a blend of cutting-edge advancements. Machine learning algorithms are at the heart of it, learning from Sam's brain signals to understand his intentions. They decode these signals in real time to control the prosthetic, allowing Sam to perform delicate tasks